Just a quick setup of our table here at our local 4-H center. Lots of cool, fun stuff. This is actually a 2-day show. So we have our laptop, iPad reader sleeves, our coaster gift sets. Super cute. And our doggies and our kitties. Lots of other patterns. Our new infinity scarves. Lots of fun patterns. We're almost out of them actually. There's some bibs and some microwavable bowl cozies. We have our children's backpacks and our children's tote bags. We have some of our diaper covers, our rag quilts. We have 2 left. We have woodland animals and some florals. Some more blankets. These are our baby lovey blankets. Super cute. And we have our baby blanket gift sets. Our neck pillows. We only have a few of those left. And we have made a bunch of our cell phone, iPad pillows. And our scrunchies. Our regular earrings, and then we have our vintage earrings. They're on sale. We have a few makeup bags left, some eyeglass and sunglass cases. We have Kindle reader sleeves. They're small. We have our bookmarks and our phone cases. And then some miscellaneous clip-on earrings we have. So lots of really great stuff for sale today. This is a 2-day sale. We have our gift idea board. Sorry, guys. And then that's it. So just a little vendor table setup video for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoy and take care. And we'll be talking to you soon. Thanks.